Hello everyone, my name is Riaz Mahmoud and I'm here to present about the BaseCamp 3, which is an online based project management tool. BaseCamp 3 actually allows you to work together in various kind. If you're working in very different projects, working on different kind of projects at the same time, you can manage the teams differently and manage the teams very efficiently and talk to the team and keep track of what they are doing and what you're doing and collaborate all the works together and see what the finish line. And you can also include a client in this process so that the client can also see what your progress and which is, in my opinion, is a very awesome way. So let's get started with this BaseCamp 3. Well, BaseCamp, you can actually sign in if you have already a Google account. You don't even have to create a new account with it. So basically what you do is like sign in and it gives you, so if you are you can go ahead and start log in with a Google account, or let's get ahead and see the very first pages that BaseCamp offers us to see. Well, this is the very first page when you get into the BaseCamp. This is like a sample BaseCamp that is created by the website itself, and you can see a mini tutorial out here to know about the all the features that it have, and also how to manage all the stuff that it has already inside. So BaseCamp, basically it has 6 different boards that they call, and those are called Campfire, Message Board, To-Dos, Schedule, Automatic Check-ins, and Docs and Files. The Campfire, when you click on it, the Campfire is basically a short messages system. It's you can talk to them like in person right away. It works like a messenger at the same time, and when you go back, it's like right away you want to know someone's there or not, and you just ask them, and at the end it's actually as a messenger. And then there comes the message board. The message board is where you can where you need to put some permanent the announcement for some project, and you want to post an update that you already did. You can also put any kind of just keep it like you can also create a discussion and keep focused on it on everyone, and then keep on posting. You can and then you can go to the to-dos. To-dos actually gives you a lot of facilities to look up to. You can either view in a list view, or you can go in a card view, whichever you feel comfortable with. Let's all check out the list view first. Here you can create newsletter updates. You can see this is already created by someone. You can post, you can create these small to-do lists, and you can create the checkpoints for that to-do list, and anyone can, whoever has to do it, they can go ahead and click on this, and you can go ahead start clicking some of that. And in the card view, it's basically the same thing. You just click on it, it shows you all the to-do lists, which is designated person is right next to it. If you're done, you just click on it, and then in the end, voila, you're done with it. Then comes the schedule. Tab. Schedule actually lets you to see whether if you have anything inside, if you have something something that's coming up in near future. It's like you can see anytime, that can be any in time. You can just put it there so that you do not forget anything. and also if you click like looking back, it's like the what you have already done before. So it is a pretty good feature that I think. Let's go ahead and check the check-ins. Check-ins actually, so check-ins is a really good feature. If you create an event kind of check-in, and you create keep it on, and it will ask all the other members in the team that if they want to do that or not, whatever you set in there. So it's basically a very good feature too. In the docs and files, it actually have you can update any kind of documents and files, and since this is a they call it the distance podcast, you can upload various kind of for the intro, like any kind of reflection papers or cover arts or the music that you are using in the podcast. And yeah, so in the end, the BaseCamp is basically a very useful application. You can check so right now basically this was the sample BaseCamp that was created by the website itself. Let's go ahead and create one of our own. So we just go ahead and create BaseCamps and create a new BaseCamp. So I already created one, and it's called the project one, and here I can see all the tabs, and I can add anybody. Like if I want to add any other people from any other places, I just go ahead, click and name. I have to just create write the name, email, and save my changes at the end. They will be notified, and they can come ahead and join my BaseCamp. So once they're like in, I can always type hi, and whoever is in the messenger in the project, they can always get my messages. And for the message board, we can also create the like a random message, like this is our first message in BaseCamp. So we have the all kind of option. We have all kind of options here, like editing options for that. You can insert the pictures also if you want to directly from the camera, or you can add the files from anywhere. So you can add this as a message. So let's just go ahead and proceed. We have it here. If you like it, just clap for reality. So it's pretty intuitive. And for the to-dos, as I said, it's really awesome to have a to-do in your bucket always. Let's create a to-do list first. So this is our first to-do list, and add this, and we have like let's say I have to submit this video, and it's assigned to me. And if there's due on, then just add the due date on 17th, and just you're done. If I'm like, whenever I'm done with the video, I just go ahead and click, and yep, I'm done with it. So yeah, and about the schedule, see, I already I did one to-do list, and it's already showed all over there. So if I want to create a different, it is basically whenever you have a to-do anywhere, it's going to show in this tab for all of this tab, and then you can, if you want to like create another event like differently, and you can just go ahead and write all the descriptions that you want, and then publish the event. So you're just going to go back, and for the check-ins is you can start like automatic check-in, asking. So it's going to be like whoever the member are in the project, you can just like create like automatic check-in. It's like, are you done with your designated work? So who to ask? I add the people here, and every day, every weekday, or whichever day you just choose and what time you can just select and start collecting answers. So it does not have to be only this kind of question. You can integrate you can put any kind of question that you want. And lastly, there comes the docs and files. Um, Files, you can basically create a lot of you can start documents where all of the teammates can work together. You can upload files. You can also link a Google Doc, and you can create a new folder to see if every time you create a folder, and you have like different. You can create like for different stuff. You can create different projects. So at the end, you can see all the things that I have done today, and it shows the activity with the times and everything. And here in the change button, you can see that you can access the BaseCamp. You can add the client. You can put the tools for this BaseCamp. You can actually change and rearrange all of that. You can name of the description, or you can just delete when this project is done. You can just delete it and you can create a new one. So at the end of the day, all I can say is this is a very intuitive project management application, and very simple to use, and it can be used in it can be used by the students at school or any kind of companies. However, this is like there are like a lot of project management tools out there, but they are kind of really not intuitive, and people have a hard time just learning to it. But in this one, you can just go ahead and learn it like very quickly, and just by so I encourage you to go ahead and check this tool out and have fun with it. Thank you for listening. You guys